so to make the ghost, all I did was I already had tomato cages, so I didn't need to purchase them. I had made, oh my goodness, many years ago, I had made fall tree, topiary trees out of the tomato cages. Hi, Maggie. And so I bought these really cheap. I think I got these from like Big Lots years ago. I got 2 for maybe 10 bucks. They're just plastic. And I like being able to weight them down because I was using these outside. So and I secured these really well to the base of this. They're not coming off. So I already had the foundation for the ghost. And all I needed to do was purchase 2 items. I needed to purchase, because I already had black felt for the eyes, I needed to purchase a dome for the head, and I did not like the thought of spending $13 or $15 or $18 at Walmart for a whole sphere. So I just got a half sphere for $5, and that works just fine. So that's what I'm going to use for his head, and I'm going to spread those out a little bit. And then I'm going to position the head on it to create the holes. And then I'm going to put a little hot glue in the holes and then reposition it and wait a few minutes before I attempt to do anything else. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to film it because my tripod is not down here. I only have that little teeny one. So I'm just going to go ahead and film and show you step by step, because I basically just want to show you how you can create this with little to no money. You can use any light for this. You don't have to just use whatever you have on hand. Just use whatever works and that you have on hand. Don't go buy stuff for projects. I'm leaving all of this out, and then I am just going to string these up, and I'm not going to film the whole thing because it took me quite a few minutes to get this done. So what I do is weave them. You're not able to see right here. Let me point you down a little bit. So what I do is start at the base, making sure I leave all that cording out, but I wrap it around one single piece to just secure it. And then I literally just turn this, and I just keep turning until I've strung it all the way up. And then back down, and then back up, and then back down. Now, some people use zip ties to secure it, but I did not need to do that. Mine, and I'm going to put the rest of this in the bottom now that I know that I have enough out, so that it's easier for me to turn. Just going to put that all down in there. And I will pull it back out after I'm done stringing them before I put my sheet on. So I'm just going to keep doing this up and down, up and down, up and down until I've strung all the lights. My arms did get very tired doing this, not going to lie. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing of me doing this because, like I said, that would take up most of the video. All right, I have it all strung up. I'm going to go ahead and take the cording out so that I would do these videos voiceover, but for some reason my voiceover is not working very well on the software that I use. And then I've tried like just my voiceover from an iPhone. That works okay, but it doesn't blend well with the editing software that I'm using. The technical difficulties are ridiculous. So in the meantime, I'm going to try to limit doing voiceovers and just talk as I go, because I think the sound is better. I'm able to mix it better if I don't do a voiceover. So it's going to be a little awkward doing these craft with me's that way, but it's okay. We'll deal with it. So look at how much cording I have. I mean, it's wonderful, and I'm so excited about that. But now I know that this is going to be the back of my ghost. So I'm going to go ahead and turn Ghosty so that his back's to me. And then I'm going to get the sheet to put over him. But this is basically the sheet that I found. I found two exactly the same for $2 at the hospice thrift store. And they were both twin sheets. Now the first one was the fitted sheet, and then this one is the flat sheet. So the fitted sheet gave me a nice little buckle to work with. So this will be interesting. We'll see how it goes. But let me go ahead and get him down, maybe on the ground or the floor, and see if I can get a better angle for you. Well, this might be the best angle because it's easier for me to work with him up there. So I'm just going to open the sheet and I'm going to move everything out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and get my remote control out because I test it before I carry him upstairs. I have been working hard, people, working hard on crafting, trying to get all the things done. So what I do is find the middle of the sheet, and I'm going to lay it lengthwise so that it's really long horizontally and shorter vertically, because that'll make his arms. And I am going to have to put him down here so I can do that. So very carefully, I'm just going to plop him down here, check the angle for you. Okay. Then I'm going to find my middle again. So I got my middle this way. Now I gotta find my middle this way. And it's a rough middle, as you can tell. So I got it. So this right here is where his head's gonna go. And I'm gonna hold this in my hand really tightly because to help secure the sheet a little bit better, I'm gonna put a sticky tab just on the top of his head, more near the back, like right here, so you don't see it as much. I made that mistake on my first one. You can see it if you get too close. I'm just gonna put one there so that it's secured. All right, so this is my middle. Just put it over here like this. There comes Maggie. All right, throw this away and lift my ghosty back up. There. I think Art's down here. Yes, I'm filming it. Do you want to come visit? I'm filming, and I'm not doing a voiceover, so. Look, did you see my ghost up there?
No, I was trying to sneak up and say hi.
So the next part is getting the sheet the way that I want it and just play with it. And then I'm going to make sure that I can have arms because I want to move this for right now. Okay. Okay, so what I did on this side was bring this, yeah, I brought that around. Ooh, don't want to get it. There we go. Don't fall over on me. So I'm just going to play, make sure that it looks good. I want it to drape. All right. once I kind of get it where I want it, I'll know where I can use a little hot glue to keep it in the area that I want. So gotta get more glue ready and waiting. All right, so now this side. This isn't laying quite right. There we go. That's better. Right about there. Okay. It's not as much as I wanted. Okay. Now I'm going to bring his hands up like this. There we go. All right, so I have the basic shape that I want. Now I'm going to turn this extra in here like that. I can play with this portion down when I get him upstairs and staged. So right now I'm just going to worry about getting his pumpkin secured and his eyes on. I start with the pumpkin. And he can hold the pumpkin without gluing it. The other one I actually, because it was a fitted sheet and there was elastic around the bottom, it was a little bit more. So I don't have to secure that. I'll just put that on him. That's perfect. And then his eyes. I have to decide where I want his eyes. And then I just glue them on. I've wanted to do this project for a couple of years as well, but never got around to doing it. Now, the fun part, we're gonna light him up and see what he looks like. And there he is. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he turned out so good. All right, I'm gonna get him staged and we'll finish this video. Here they are. Oh my goodness, I just love how they turned out. This is the one with the fitted sheet, and this is the one that we did together. I think I like the one with the fitted, or the one that we did together better, the way that it puddles. The fitted sheet, it's not bad, but that was harder to work with. Anyway, I had a bunch of these hats left over from years ago, Dollar Tree witch hats, and they were black and purple tinsel. I took the purple tinsel off, put yarn around it so that it was all one color. You'll have to let me know in the comments whether you like him with or without the hat. And you'll get to see the rest of the fireplace mantle and how they are fully staged on Sunday, because Sunday is October 1st and it is the beginning of all my Halloween content, and I'm so excited. So you'll be getting Halloween content from me all October long. Hopefully every single day you will see something Halloween fall related, and I'm so excited. So that's going to do it for today's video. Again, don't forget to let me know what you think of this project in the comments below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family and community. I would just love to have you. And until let me see, until Sunday when we do this all again. Bye.